Hello guys! Good morning, good morning! Tapos na yung ating flea market and it was successful and meron lang natira. May mga leftovers po tayo but I don't worry because alam ko na may silbi yung mga leftovers, hindi masasayang kasi gagawin ko po ito para sa mga homeless po dito ulit. So ayan, pakita ko po sa inyo kung ano yung mga natira. Napadami lang kasi ang gawa ko. Nakalimutan ko na it's introductory lang. Dapat konti lang nagawa. Pero okay lang, at least may pamimigay. Ayan po ang natira. Empanada. May nabenta naman tayo, siguro mga 4 lang, ganun. Hindi ko alam kung itutuloy ko pa ito. Yung filling niya, tsaka yung vegetable. Plus, konting turon. I-re-fry ko na lang po ito para maging crispy ulit, maging crunchy ulit, o diba? So yan po ang ating pamimigay sa mga homeless. Mga 15 pieces po nagawa. So, ipapak po natin in a plastic bag. So, I'm putting one empanada. And then, may turon. And, tsaka may banana muffins. Yung ginawa ni Becca. Ayan. And then, bibilan po natin sila ng tubig o siguro juice mamaya. Ayan. Tsaka ganito bibigyan natin. Ayan. So, tara. Samahan nyo kami. Guys, andito ako sa shopping center. Bibili ako ng inumin nila. Lagay tayo ng inumin nila kasi one time may nag-comment, wala silang tubig o soft drinks. Kaya ayan, bili tayo ng inumin nila. So guys, idagdag natin ito sa supot nila. Okay, let's go, let's go.
Thank you very much, Mama.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright. Alright.
Thank you, Mommy.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. No, ma'am. You.
Alright.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Alright.
Very much, Mommy.
Thank you. Alright.
Thanks very much. Mama, sir, this one for
Okay, give it to him then. Alright. How much more I got? I must give. Alright. Okay guys, ginabi na tayo sa pamimigay. Grabe. Let's go to Fortune and Kevin now. Let's see if they're still there. Let's go. Hello? Alright. Hi guys, there you go. Ginabi na kami. Wala si Fortune at saka si Kevin. I'm sure pwede pa yung food bukas. I-retry ko na lang ulit. We try to see someone else kung pwede namin maibigay. Kaso wala. Wala. Kaya sadyang para sa kanila siguro yung dalawa. So yun lang po guys. Ginabi na kami kasi lumabas kami rush hour tapos traffic pa. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. See you in our next vlog. Bye bye.
Hello. Thank you, I appreciate it so much.
Yeah, where's Fortune?
I never see him today. I think he jumped in a bus. I don't know where he was going.
Alright.
Yeah. I thank you so much.
Okay.
Bless you. Have a nice day.